It's very simple principles in nature, which you can see in every different aspects. And what is, for example, with Okinawa is so interesting. They say they always keep enough space in between. And this space in between, this is a very, very important principle of nature. And it has a lot to do with our health also. The space in between, for example, when you look at your itinerary and you see everything is crammed, one appointment after the other, you cannot digest it properly, what you have talked, for example, in one meeting, and immediately the next meeting, you can digest it. There's no space in between. When you are sleeping not enough, you have not enough space in between the 2 days. When you are overeating all the time, you have not enough space in between. The whole universe is organized that always there's a lot of space in between. And for example, when you see how the human brain is structured with the synapses in between the nerve cells, synaptic gap, the space in between, it decides if a neural impulse is modulated, if it's inhibited, if it's enforced. It happens in this space in between. This is the synaptic gap, which is absolutely crucial for how our brain works. Find the space in between. I always tell people when they say they are totally stressed and they are tired, I said, see if in your life is not enough space in between. And it's a principle which you can see everywhere in nature, that the space in between is the crucial thing. People say yoga. What is yoga? The state of yoga is not that you are in a lotus position or you make a specific exercise, which is very difficult. The state of yoga is the space between your thoughts. And when you go in meditation, for example, I did my PhD on Transcendental meditation. I'm a great fan of Transcendental meditation. And when you widen this gap between the thoughts, then you go into the yoga state, which is also called samadhi, the samadhi state, pure consciousness. So this space in between you find everywhere. Also in the field of digestion.